This is an office building installation. A little over 500 square feet of Mannington Adura rigid. We picked up this glue down commercial carpet. Doing a little patchwork. Had to move out all the file cabinets and disassemble all the desks and secretaries. Got them all out of the way, which now gives us a complete open area to start the installation. So this has been starting on a Friday evening just to get a jump on it, to get everything moved and the floor prepped, and then tomorrow on a Saturday, and if we have to finish up Sunday, we'll finish this complete project. And when we have the job well underway, again, it's Mannington rigid, color 72, number 72 Sausalto, color Waterfall, like about 535 square feet. So the general area is being done, and then we'll follow up with the vinyl base and moving all the file cabinets and desks back into place. So this will take another 3 hours or so to finish this, and they'll be coming back and just to move all the furniture back. Here is the completed project. Mannington Adura rigid, 535 square feet of style Sausalto in this office. This is the waiting area. We're installing back all the desks that were taken apart, reassembled. And this is the major area over here. All the file cabinets in place, cove base installed. So this completes this project. Again, 535 square feet of Adura rigid. So if you want to see more videos, go to our website at fashion-carpets.com. Go to our video gallery to see other videos of other categories of flooring. And while you're in the YouTube video channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.